how to connect Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Telegram app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the Turn Space Beta option. Go ahead and tap on it to enable it. Once it's enabled, you will now see Turn Space Beta on the home page of your Telegram wallet. This means your Telegram wallet is successfully connected to your Tonkeeper wallet. With this connection, you can now send your cryptocurrencies like TON or UST from your Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper and even receive deposits into your wallet. Over here, if you tap on the swap button, you can swap between TON coin and other currencies. So that's how you can connect your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. That's all for this video.